walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Oh, it's back, and possibly coming home. So anyway, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Now, I haven't uploaded a month, and actually, last time I was uploaded was Tranmere Legends v Wirral Radio, but before that, it was Tranmere Rovers v Bournemouth at Wembley. Now that day is still fresh in my mind, still will be for a good couple of months ago. You know, when the season starts, when the balls change, when the kits change, when everything changes, then I'll realise, you know, we're in League 2, but it still hasn't really sunk in. So of course we won at Wembley. My vlog will be in the top right corner, and I mean somehow we won, you know, down to 10 men in the first minute. Had no subs left at half time, went in 1-1 at half time, and we still managed to do it. But anyway, today, Tranmere Rovers, going a bit off topic there, but anyway, today, Tranmere Rovers take on Liverpool in a pre-season friendly. It's going to be a good game. Last year, when we played them in the pre-season friendly, we lost 4-0, and then the year before that, we lost 1-0. So hopefully this year, I'm going to be careful what to say, because you know, I support Liverpool. I support Liverpool as well. But I want Tranmere to win because, you know, they're more local side. Of course, got a season ticket for them. But I'm going to go for a score prediction. If I had to do one, score prediction 3-0 to Liverpool. But yeah, so anyway, yeah. So of course, both teams have signed new players. Both teams has lost players. Not going to get into that, as I just want to head down to the match now. I'm expecting a good crowd, expecting great atmosphere. Last year it really was a great atmosphere for the Tranmere fans. I'm not sure about Liverpool fans, didn't really hear them, but again, I support them, not gonna, you know, chat crap behind the back. But yeah, anyway, you know, it's going to be a good game. But anyway, I'm just going to end it there because I'm really pumped. You know, football's back and it's going to be coming home. It's going to be coming home. Yes, it will. But anyway, that's enough for me. Let's just head off to Prenton Park. It's Tranmere Rovers take on Liverpool in pre-season friendly. Come on, you Whites. Let's at least keep a clean sheet. Come on. So I've now on the phone to my mate Dan. He's going to do a score prediction for Tranmere v Liverpool. He sports neither of them. He sports Manchester United. But Dan, you know that I sport Tranmere and I'm your mate. So I go to the same school as you. So you know, just keep that in mind. What you think the score prediction is going to be. What do you think it's going to be? Tranmere v Liverpool.
Wow, two Tranmere, 1 Liverpool.
So you think Tranmere are going to win 2-1?
Yeah.
Well, I'm officially your best mate. We'll soon see. But anyway, that's enough for me. Let's head off to the match. Come on, you Whites! It's Adam, Evertonian. What's your score prediction for the game?
2-1 to Liverpool.
2-1 to Liverpool. Well, you do realise I'm your mate. I'm the one who's dropping you off, and I'm a Tranmere fan. So
Okay, Tranmere 4-0.
That's much better. George, what's yours? 2-1 to Tranmere. 2-1 to Tranmere. That's great. Well, we're gonna lose. I mean, we're gonna win.
We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care. You're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
That's brought the most enjoyment to the crowd, but the players over there. mistake again.
他们能看见的，他们能看见的。
爸给我手机，大哥给我手机，大哥给我手机。
You have it, full-time Tranmere 2, Liverpool 3. So it was a decent game indeed. I mean, yeah, Karius, and I've just jumped straight to that, but Karius, man, come on. I mean, you made a mistake at the Champions League final, 2 mistakes in fact. Then you also made one at Chester in the warm-up, which you was in the background of, and then you go and drop the ball for us to go and tap it in. I do feel sorry for you guys, Dad, but oh, you know, you get paid so much, and but the thing was, well, when he come out, you know, they're all round to go for the second half. Liverpool supporters, Karius comes on, all Liverpool fans clapping him. Oh, come on, Karius, and then he goes to do that. But yeah, sorry for laughing, but you know, I think that's something which Liverpool need to get is a new keeper. Not gonna lie, but apart from that, the game was actually a decent game. The atmosphere, I said at the start of the video, oh, it's going to be amazing. I got proved completely wrong. Normally it is amazing. And I was a bit, you know, annoyed and... yeah, annoyed is the word. I was a bit annoyed that the drums and trumpet weren't there. You know, they make a huge difference to the game. You know, for the players and for the fans, it's much more enjoyable. But, you know, of course, they can't make every game. But apart from that, we still tried our hardest to make some noise. But, you know, saying that, we did give it a good go. The fans and the players, of course, 3-2, that's a decent result. You know, first half, we wasn't the best. Second half, but I didn't even know who the players were, to be honest with you, but they were good players. And, of course, we scored 2 goals. So, yeah, it was a good game. 5 goals in it, you know, for £8, it's pretty decent. But anyway, I'm going to wrap up today's video there, and I'm going to leave you some other photos which I took from today. I even got to go on the pitch at the end. It's not gone. Don't tell anyone. I'm joking. They kicked me off anyway. Yeah, so these are the pictures I took from today, from the game, and afterwards, and with some of the players. But yeah, next video I think should be Wednesday, tomorrow, as England take on Croatia. Now I'm not sure whether I'll be going to a fan zone for that in Liverpool. I'm not sure. I want to, so I'll try my hardest. So I'll vlog that as well, because that should be immense. And of course, if England do win tomorrow, we take on France in the World Cup final. Yeah, the World Cup final. England are in the World Cup final. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to wrap up today's video there. If you're new, please subscribe. 320 subscribers. I haven't uploaded in months. Still somehow gaining subscribers. But yeah, anyway, till next time. Well, never that'll be. Good.